Welcome back. The season's busiest week of earnings continues with cloud, capital markets, and crypto all reporting after the bell. We're looking to Microsoft, Robinhood, and Coinbase for earnings exchange. And here with our trades is Jeff Kilburg. He's KKM Financial founder, CEO, and a CNBC contributor and an ETF sponsor, I guess we should say now, Jeff?
Manager.
There we go. All right, let's dive right in with Microsoft, which is up 29% this year and on pace for its fourth straight week of gains. It's actually Microsoft, I should say, is up 29% over the past year, I think. Anyway, investors are watching Azure growth metrics, the pace of AI implementation, and what continued investments in both might mean for profit margins. So that was all the buzz after Alphabet last night, doing a lot with AI, not needing the human element as much. Should we expect the same from Microsoft?
You know, it's been interesting, Kelly, and it has been mixed bag. In the tech sector, we're looking at AMD, disappointing today, but you're right. Google did have some optimism. But I think specifically with Microsoft, I'm a buyer here. I'm an owner here. I actually own this in the Essential 40 portfolio. But what's fascinating to me is that we haven't had any clarity on what Copilot has done. Will we get some clarity on Copilot? Of course, we want to see more revenue in Azure, but I think it's interesting to see. This is the only Mag 7 name. And by the way, this is the second worst performing Mag 7 name. You go back a full year, just above Tesla, this has been the laggard, if you will. But I think what we're interested to see is Microsoft. It's the old adage, Kelly. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. And what are they spending on these AI models for the future? And that is the only companies that have their toe held to the line of what it costs. So that's going to be the fascinating takeaway today. If we do see a pullback here, I want to buy more at 421. That's the 50 and 200-day moving average. I think it makes a ton of sense to add here on any bit of a pullback or disappointment at the fact that they're spending too much.
Yeah, my guess, if they can come out and say something about, I don't know if adoption of Copilot at this point, if that's already kind of flown the coop, but something to that effect, that end demand for its products enhanced by AI is strong. And otherwise, I think investors are still kind of waiting.
But on the flip side, Copilot, I continue to get advertisements. I haven't jumped on board. Therefore, if Copilot, if they show any weakness in that, that may hinder some of that CapEx. But it's going to be all about the CapEx, Kelly, no matter what the company is. But it seems like Microsoft is the only one that has their feet held to the fire on CapEx.
That's true. All right, let's move along then. We're going to hear from Microsoft. Those shares, from Robinhood, and those shares have actually tripled in the past year. They're getting a boost from international expansion plans this week, and the launch of its presidential election market could also benefit from market volatility and the recent crypto resurgence. Do you like the shares here?
You know what? It's interesting. You see just a parabolic move. And Robinhood as well as Coin, the next stock we're going to talk about, it's up over 200% each of them in the last year. So the trader in me, Kelly, wants to take profit. I think if you look right now of all the analysts on the street, they have an average price for Robinhood around $25, so about 10% lower. But if you look what they're doing or what they've evolved into, and remember, this stock was down in the single digits. It's fascinating to see this type of turnaround, but a lot of it has been the tip of the spear. Steve Quirk came from TD Ameritrade and is now evolving the whole platform. I think Robinhood Legend is what it's called, which is more of an institutional investing platform with charts and quotes more acclimated versus just mobile trading on crypto. So I think you have the opportunity to buy it here a little bit lower, but I do want to trim and profit take. But this is just a high parabolic, and do not short Robinhood because you saw that move. It was amazing to see that rocket ship take off a year ago.
All right, speaking of rocket ships, we've seen Bitcoin really up sharply or nicely, I should say, lately.
Over 73,000.
Over 73,000, which brings us to Coinbase, because, yes, those shares have also nearly tripled in the past year thanks to that run-up, but it's still well off its all-time highs back in 2021. And it is trading, we're looking for trading volumes to be that key metric, because now we have the Bitcoin ETFs. They're also listening for updates on the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, but this one feels like it has this overhang of how much platform usage will there be in a Bitcoin ETF world.
It also feels a little bit overdone. It's a very different animal than Robinhood, in my opinion, since Robinhood has changed. But Coinbase, I think it's just fascinating to see. Yes, it's been correlated to the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin itself going over 73,000, but this is just a volatile stock. So if you have the stomach for it, remember on the IPO, Kelly, it surged 72% up to that $429 level and settled back at $331. So still off its all-time high. I want to take profits here if you own it. I want to be very careful buying on a pullback here, but this is a different animal, and you have to realize that whatever presidency, whoever wins, Democratic or Republican, it seems positive for cryptocurrencies. So that's where the inertia and the catalyst in all these cryptocurrency-related stocks, maybe outside of super micro. But the fact of the matter is that I think there's going to be still more momentum, but it's going to be a wild ride.
Asking literally for a friend, could it ever go back to 400?
You know what? Why can't it? Yeah, contingent upon how they continue to evolve and manage, but it's just a different animal where Robinhood was, they implemented $1 billion buyback. I haven't heard anything positive from Coin, so
True.
To be determined.
All right, Jeff, thanks as always. Jeff Kilburg, KKM. That's it for the exchange.